Welcome, I'm Liam. Today, I'll show you how to map your roadmap dates with Jira date fields. This setup will ensure your roadmap stays in sync with Jira. First, head over to your admin settings in ProductGo. Next, find the field settings. Enable the option to map roadmap dates with Jira fields. A drop-down menu will appear. Here you can select which Jira date time fields to map with your roadmap's start and end dates. Make sure the selected fields are configured for each issue type in your Jira project. To confirm the fields are configured correctly, check the panel below to see if the issue types have those fields on the screen. And once you're done, click the Save button to finish the configuration. Besides, if you need to migrate from previous ProductGo Roadmap data to Jira fields, click on the Migrate button. Carefully review the pop-up notes and select the checkbox to overwrite existing data if needed. And that's it! Your ProductGo Roadmap is now synced with Jira. For more details, check out our documentation at the link below. Thanks for watching.